Hey, if you live out where there's not a very good cell signal, you might look into something like this. That was our thoughts anyway. We're going to see if it works. This is the Ace 5S cell phone signal booster. I'm going to get it opened up, see what we get, and get it hooked up. See how well it works. All right. Well packaged. Have a cable. And this is going to be one of the things that I really need to find out about to get the length of this cable. If it doesn't say, we'll measure it and then I'll tell you. And I've never hooked one of these up, so I'm kind of at a loss on how to do this. So I'm going to learn as you watch. This part is the part that goes on the inside of the house. I do know that much. It says indoor right here and outdoor. So I guess our outside cable is going to run into there from our antenna. And our antenna should be under here. Okay, quick installation guide. We're probably going to be using that. And this is our antenna. Pretty light. Comes with mounting hardware, our power supply cord. Okay, I guess this is going to, well, I won't speculate, but I think it's going to go right there. We will see. Some mounting screws. And that's it. Not a whole lot in there. Let's look at the manual and see what we need to do. Installing steps. So we will mount this on the back of the antenna, and then we will mount the antenna and this on a pole. I guess you could might get away with mounting this on the side of the house. I don't really know. Wherever you can put it to get it pointed towards the nearest tower. There is an app that you can download to get your cell signal, the strength of it, or you'll know where to turn your antenna. Okay, yeah, this does screw onto the back of this unit right here. It shows it right there. So that we was correct on. I'm going to get a pole and we'll go from there. Okay, I measured the cord and it's approximately 50 foot. I think it was a couple inches shy, but it could have been where my finger slipped a little bit measuring it, but approximately 50 foot. Okay, we got our antenna up there. All right, there is our inside unit, and we are all blue. If the red triangle is blinking red, you could be getting a looping back effect. You need to distance the antenna from this base unit. That helped solve our problem. Tech support was fantastic too. All right, well that concludes our video on this and the installation and everything. It is boosting the signal. We had like 1 bar before. Now I'm bouncing between 4 and 5 bars. Occasionally gets 3, but it definitely boosted a lot. We're in an area that the signal drops and you lose your phone calls, and we've tested it a few times and hasn't dropped any calls. So I would say that it's working. That is the Ace 5S, a cell phone signal booster. We mounted it right there. A thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.